In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record vendor discounts in QuickBooks. If a supplier gives you a price reduction, like an early payment incentive or a courtesy adjustment, you'll want to capture it correctly so your payables, expenses, and reports stay accurate. We'll do this in QuickBooks Online by creating a vendor credit and coding it to the right account. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen and make sure you're signed in to the correct company. From anywhere in the app, look for the Create or New button at the top. Sometimes it appears as a plus icon labeled New. Click it to open the full list of transactions. From that menu, select Vendor Credit. A vendor credit represents money the vendor owes you or a reduction of what you owe them, which is exactly what a discount accomplishes. Using a vendor credit keeps your accounts payable balance and vendor history clean. On the vendor credit form, choose the vendor who granted the discount. Confirm the date of the credit so it lands in the correct accounting period. If you have a reference from the vendor, like an email note or a credit memo number, enter it in the reference field. Add a brief memo such as early payment discount for invoice 145 so anyone reviewing the file knows why this credit exists. If your company tracks class or location, set those fields now for consistent reporting. In the Category Details section, click in the Category column and select Discounts Given. This account is commonly used to track discounts and lets you see how much you've saved over time. If your chart of accounts uses a different name for vendor discounts, select that instead or check with your accountant to confirm the best account for your setup. Keep the description clear and enter the discount amount as a positive number. Because this is a vendor credit, QuickBooks will treat it as a reduction automatically. If your region requires tax treatment on discounts, set the tax field appropriately. If you're unsure, leave tax off and consult your advisor. For documentation, attach the vendor's email or credit memo using the attachment field so there's a paper trail. When everything looks correct, save the transaction. The vendor credit will appear in the vendor's profile and in accounts payable. The next time you enter or pay that vendor's bill, you'll be able to apply this credit to reduce the amount due and keep your aging accurate. And that's it. You've recorded a vendor discount in QuickBooks, documented the reason for the adjustment, and kept your books tidy. Use this same workflow whenever a supplier issues a discount so your reports reflect the true cost of your purchases.